I'm using Clean and Clear Cleanser for sensitive skin to cleanse his face. So when applying cleanser, you can just put it on the facial cotton and remove any little grease or anything from the face. But I choose to like use my hand and massage it in first so I can get deep into the pores and cleanse it. Always go in the direction of how the bone grow with the face. Do not put the cleanser on the eye because of the alcohol. If this one is alcohol free, but some don't have alcohol free, so don't put it over the eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and use some rice scrub mixed with oatmeal on his face. So I'm applying the rice scrub now. This rice scrub, you can get it from me at alikare.club. Now the rice is a little bit coarse at first, so if you can't manage it, just apply it on the face slightly and leave it, and the body heat of your skin will warm it up enough for you to scrub the skin. I use oatmeal with it because he has pimples on his face, and oatmeal is good for that because of the antioxidant properties, and I want the bump them to go down before he leave and not stay up, even though we're going to do some tweezing. And after, I don't mix it with honey because I'm also going to use the honey to mix the mask. So this is why I use the oatmeal, and it's a scrub I want and not trying to tone his face at this moment. So the rice can be a little bit messy with the oatmeal, just as with any other scrub. Make sure that if you're doing it on a client, their eyes are always closed. I'm steaming his face with the rice scrub on it for more effective result, and for the rice scrub to just soften up quicker, and so I can use it because his skin is almost irritated. So if you're using a rice scrub at home, if you want to steam it, your face with it, you can, but you don't have to. The longer you leave it on, the softer it gets. But steam your face after you scrub your face, then you put on your mask as usual. I just follow this procedure that I'm doing. So coarse.
No.
This is after steaming the face. I'm using the rice scrub to exfoliate the skin. And because his pores open, he sweats. But if you realize that you're not sweating in your hand, not wetting, like the face is not mild enough and it feels too coarse, you can just damp your hand. If you use honey to mix it, then it will stay mild. So you don't have to mix it with the oatmeal. You can also mix it with the honey, as I said before. And the mother saying you should have did have on gloves. I never normally working on gloves. You should.
Okay, so you must have with it.
Me comfortable working without it. Me not happy.
You must sterilize hands.
Mm-hmm. I'm not twist vagina and put on gloves.
The one in our show though.
Yeah man, that's okay.